Great. I found my spray. Now I can do what I love so much. Paint the wagon. Who is smart? I am smart. Ha ha ho ho ho. Password? From the numbers? I definitely saw these numbers somewhere. My memory is not that bad. I am proud of myself. This sound usually means that something has changed. I need to check the wagons. Guitar. Interesting. What can I do with it? I'm not sure, but I think I can now find out what's inside the wagon. This sound usually means that something has changed. I need to check the wagons. It looks like they are hungry. I guess I need to feed them something. Enjoy, hungry spades. I'm going to the next level. Great weather. I love the rain, but I don't like the dark. I can't see anything here. I need to turn on the light. Great. I found legs and arms. A drug with that name will definitely come in handy for me. Oh my God, this is my friend Gerald. Is this all Inspector Hector's handiwork? Oh, he's still breathing. Maybe I can revive him somehow.
Hi, Jack. You are my savior. You can take my girlfriend. You deserve it. Inspector Hector has gone.
I finally met you, you little asshole.
I'll kick your ass, Waganophile. Issa vasilar derivasasa was on bow asa 13 mayos.
Ha ha! The milk on your lips hasn't dried yet.
Taste my guitar, bitch.
Subway, suffer.
This time you beat me. But we will meet again, little asshole.
I will take revenge on you for everything you did to my black friend.
Ciao, amigos.